Pick him up.
Shoot him,
We're
shoot him,
gonna
shoot
set him down right here, just
Shoot
like
him,
in the
shoot him.
movies. Leave him there. If he tries to get up, lasso him. If he tries to get up, lasso him.
Ban the
You
hammer
know,
on
he's trying to break free. He's trying to break free. Get ready.
Got him. He's down. I killed him.
Up, there we go.
There's a guy right there.
Put him back down.
They're shooting up the school.
No, I actually broke him free. Get him back.
Let's go rob the bank.
Ow! We can't get him. Oh. Do it! Jump it! Do it! If he jumps in, he escapes.
I'm robbing a bank.
How does he keep dodging?
Okay, we're gonna sit him down right here. Perfect! Let's go! Come on!
I might have robbed a bank. Help me.
So we're not helping you. We're trying to kill Torture Nate. What do you
I
want?
might have robbed a bank. Can you not, please? Stop using my stuff.
To run you over?
That's my money.
Stay. Or get
Oh,
bopped.
there is my money. There are so many people
No,
in
you
here.
can't. That would actually make a good weapon, though.
Hey, rob him.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Robbing.
I do not want to be lassoed.
Nope. Lasso him. Get ready to lasso him.
I do not. Oh my god.
Yes! Put him back up! Pick him back up! Put him down! Hurry! Send him down right in the middle.
Alright.
No! He's trying to break free again! Pick him back up. Okay, I picked him up. Put him back down.
That's so unnaturally copy.
He's trying to get out. Beware. Put him back.
No,
Put him back down. Put him back down. Put him right back down. What's happening?
Really hate
Get
you.
up.
I hate you.
What?
No,
Why is he
I got
standing up?
Tomahawk.
It doesn't matter, Boiling. He's just...
I'm literally gonna spam invite you to a bunch of servers.
It appears that I've been tomahawked.
He can walk! Put him back down!
Where are you guys?
Another dude! This is another contest! The train's moving! Boiling!
Accept my friend request. Accept.
What is going on?
Yes! What are you gonna do with the train, Sky? You lied to us!
Accept my friend